Our third lesson in topic 5 is using models to divide with two-digit divisors. This concept can be a little tricky, so let's try a couple problems, and if it's too confusing, you can choose to use traditional division. If you like the models, feel free to use them as well. Our base problem is 156 divided by 12. In this diagram, it's set up between tens and ones, which are over here. We have 12 divided into 156. We know that 12 times 10 is 120, so that would be one set of tens. 10 times 12 is 120, so we would subtract that from our main or starting number of 156. We would then get 36 left over. And that 36 is going to carry over here into the ones column. And we know that 12 goes into 36 3 times, because 3 times 12 is 36. When you subtract them, you get 0. So there's nothing remaining. We have 1 10 and 3 ones, which makes our answer 13. So 156 divided by 12 is 13. Let's look at another diagram. We have 182 divided by 13. We know that one set of 10 times 13 is 130. When you subtract those, you have 52 left over, and that gets carried over here into our ones column. You have to think to yourself, how many 13s can go into 42? You know that 13 plus 13 equals 26. Well, 26 plus 26 equals 52. So you can get 4 13s into 52, because 4 times 13 equals 52. There is nothing left over, which would be your remainder, and so our answer is 110 and 4 ones, or 14. Let's keep on going. We have 526 divided by 24. We can make our model of 24. We can make 576. Okay, and then this is going to be our tens, and this will be left over here for our ones. We know that 24 times 110 is 240. That is significantly less than 576. So what if we double that and make it times 2 tens, which would be 480. That's less than 576. So let's go with 2 tens, which is really 20. 20 times 24 is 480. You're going to subtract those numbers and get 6. Cross out, carry 4. 17 minus 8 is 9, and you're down to 96. We know that 24 plus 24 equals 48. Well, 48 plus 48 equals 96. Remember earlier, our 96 gets brought over to the ones, and 24 goes into 96 the 4 times. So I'm going to put our 4 ones, and 4 times 24 is 96. Subtract them and get 0. So our answer is 2 tens and 4 ones, or 24. Okay, let's keep going. There are 16 rows of chairs in the auditorium. Each row has the same number of chairs. There are 512 chairs in all. How many chairs are in each row? Let's draw our diagram box. Split it between our tens and ones. There are 16, 512. We have to think about how many tens can go into 512. You know that 110 times 16 is 160. Well, 2 would be 320. That's still quite a bit less, so let's add another 160 to it, which would give us 3 tens, making it 480. So let's go with 3 tens, would be 480, subtract, and you're going to get 2, cross out 11 minus 8 is 3. That 32 is going to be carried over. And 16, we know, goes into 32 only 2 times. We don't even have to figure that out. You know it in your head. 2 times 16 is 32. And when you subtract, it's a remainder of 0, making your answer 3 tens and 2 ones, or 32 chairs. Please follow your assignment in the next box. If you are uncomfortable or confused by this picture model, please come see me and we can work on the traditional way, or I can explain the picture model a little bit more. Get started.